In this video, I'll guide you through how to use rich text formatting in your Gmail signature. By the end, you'll know how to make your email signature look clean, professional, and easy to read using simple tools built right into Gmail. Let's start by getting into your Gmail settings. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the account where you want to edit the signature. In the top right corner of the Gmail page, you'll see a small gear icon. Click that gear icon to open the quick settings panel. In that panel, look for the option that says See All Settings and click it. This will take you to the full settings page where we can access all of Gmail's signature options. Once you're on the full settings page, you'll land on the General tab by default. From here, scroll down until you find the signature section. It might be a little way down the page, so take your time and scroll slowly until you see the label Signature. If you don't have a signature yet, you'll see an option to create a new one. Click to add a new signature, then give it a simple name so you can recognize it later, especially if you plan on having more than one signature. After you've created or selected a signature, you'll see a text box where you can type your information. This is where rich text formatting comes in. Just above the text box, you'll notice a formatting toolbar. It looks a lot like a mini word processor and includes options for bold, italic, underline, font style, text size, text color, alignment, and even links and images. Go ahead and start by typing the basic content of your signature, such as your name, job title, and any other details you want to include. Then, use the formatting tools to make that information stand out in a clean and intentional way. For example, you might make your name bold so it's easy to spot at a glance. You can adjust the font size to make your name slightly larger than the rest of the text, while keeping your title and contact details in a regular size so they don't overpower the layout. If you want to bring in a bit of color, you can change the text color using the color option on the toolbar. A helpful tip is to stick with one accent color that matches your brand or looks professional, such as a dark blue or gray, and avoid using too many bright or different colors, which can look cluttered. You can also use the alignment controls to keep everything neat, for example, aligning your entire signature to the left, which is usually the easiest to read. As you customize your signature, think about what really needs to be there. Many people include a simple combination of their name, title, organization, and one or two ways to contact them, such as a website or a main phone line. If you add links, such as a website or portfolio, use the link button in the toolbar so they become clickable. This keeps the signature tidy and functional without overwhelming the reader. When you're happy with the way everything looks, it's important to save your changes. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. Gmail will reload your inbox, and from now on, when you compose a new email, your rich text formatted signature will appear automatically just the way you designed it. If you ever want to update or refine it, you can return to the signature section in settings and adjust it as needed.